Guys, Linda Bomba here from lindabomba.com, and I'm cutting this video to show you and give you an overview of your back office in Aweber. I am here in my back office. Just to give you an overview, this is your different list, which you click on it and set it for that. This is your home page where you have your current subscribers and all that, the broadcast you've sent out. This breaks down your list. I have several. This is where, if you click on this, this is the follow-up letters I have for this particular list that I have. This is your subscribers, and you can manage these by different ways. You can see currently subscribed, unsubscribed, undeliverable, added today. There's different categories. Sign up forms. These are, and I have a couple. These are sign-up forms you can put on to a blog, Facebook. You can set up a PayPal thing. These are reports that you can look at to see, who clicking and dates and stuff. These are your list options, and this is where I already did it for this list, but this is how you would set this list up. You have to set each list up that you do. This is how you personalize your list. Put your email signature, a logo. You can confirm your opt-in, however you want to do that. And up here is your managed list. These are all your different lists. This is how you would create. If you go down here, you can see the different lists. This is where you would create another list. Excuse me. There's other options here with your list. These are apps. There are a number of different apps depending on what you're doing. Like I have a webinars account besides Facebook, but there's different ones in here. This is help. And then this is if you want to look at your, this is your account information. This is like my name and address. This is my billing. It's got the credit card that I have in here and how I'm paying for it. So this is just an overview of your Aweber account. I hope you found this helpful. If you're looking for more free training, subscribe to my newsletter. Go ahead and click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.